Absolutely.
Wow. So those are from Elaine.
Blue one?
And those are from Joni.
Okay. What? A robot?
This is crazy. I want the robot.
Go look at it, Sammy.
Sammy, look at all these cool cars.
Those are Hot Wheels.
Look at how cool they look. I've never seen these guys before. These are, oh, Sammy.
Can I keep these two cars?
Those are yours, Mom.
What? A Hot Wheel coloring book? I was talking to Anton.
And, oh, okay. And stickers and
Sammy, can I have two?
Oh.
Nope, I want this one.
all right.
No, I want that one. But it's not the dinosaur one. But I like this one because it has my favorite animal, crocodile.
All right, let's finish opening up and then we can talk about.
Oh, remember what I said? If we like the same one, we could, if we like the same one.
Now, let me read that in. This says something on it. So this goes with the big box.
The robot thing's batteries.
Yeah, I'm guessing batteries. Open it up. Open your present.
Tiny. Another one.
Batteries. Sammy only unwrapped that box, didn't open it.
It's like Christmas morning over here.
Woo! You know this is actually all the presents? No way, Sammy! You have your own Hot Wheel track.
Sammy, look.
You have your own Hot Wheel track. Thank you. You're welcome.
Whoa. This is cool. We'll build this in a little bit. You need help opening that, buddy? Maybe Mommy can help
Sammy,
you
you
open
got
it.
lots of Hot Wheels. Look, Sammy.
Wow. Okay, take your hands out.
Sammy, remember what I said? If we
See
like
what
the
those are,
same,
Sammy.
remember what I said, Sammy, on the car? If we like the same present, we could share it. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Like the crocodile and the dinosaur?
Exactly.
Look,
Open that up, Sam. Let's
a
see what you got.
Batman. Look, Sammy, it's a Batman shirt.
Sammy loves that.
Open your shirts up. Let's see them.
My own monster truck. Yeah, it's a Hot Wheel. Wow. My own Batman.
Oh, wow.
Now my other Batman has a friend.
Oh. Yay. Wait, a couple more. Sammy, you open that one. Oh, you want to help me with that, Aunt?
Oh, you opened that one because it has a string blocking it. Oh, we almost forgot this one. Can we both open it? We could both open it. Wait, don't forget the card.
I'll take the card.
One card. Ooh, close. What could be these? What kind of mischief thing will be in here? What mischief thing will be in here? Voila. Hershey. Nope, they're not Hershey's.
Look at it. You got a Hot Wheel card.
Wow.
This is
Keep
from
pulling it, you're welcome.
Auntie Lane.
Let's check out those
Gummies.
PJ Masks gummies.
Look, Peeps. You know what Peeps are? They're good.
Here, let's finish opening these clothes right here.
Oh, makes total sense. Whoa. But there's one
Here,
teeny
Sammy.
question. What are clothes?
Oh, these are nice.
Hey, wait, Mommy. I think you threw away a toy.
No.
Oh, there. But they didn't give
Timmy,
me
did you see this one?
They didn't give me a recorder.
A recorder? Nobody knew you wanted a recorder, Momo.
I told you before.
You did.
Can you please open this? Because I really want to open this.
Yeah, you gotta ask your bro.
Sammy, the answer is...
Oh, nice.
That's can I open that?
The answer is,
Yes.
hey, did you see how many Hot Wheels are going in this thing?
Awesome. It's probably for the track. I
Yeah.
think.
1, 2, and my big monster.
Let me see
3,
that.
4, 5, 6, 7 Hot Wheels.
Wow. Oh,
But there are only 2 of
8.
you.
Guys,
yeah.
look how many Batmans they are. And that one I have.
Sammy crushing it.
Well, you don't have those ones. Those are the worst.
Oh, what you cute.
Ah, PJ Masks gummies, those look good.
These look even better. Beep, beep.
Beep, 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 beep.
Hey, hamster.
Wowza.
Wow, it's a real monster truck.
And will you open this? Excuse me, Mommy. Can you open this? No.
Okay, we'll open them all. What do you guys say? Sammy,
Thank you. Oh, I opened.
Sammy, come here.
Thank you, Anthony and Nancy Lane.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.